Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to change region in CapCut app on iPhone in simple and easy steps. Step 1. Open CapCut. First open the CapCut app on your iPhone and make sure you are on the home screen. Step 2. Go to your profile. Next tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner to access your account settings. Step 3. Open app settings. Now tap the settings gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. Step 4. Change app language. Now tap on the app language and select the language of the country you want your CapCut region to be switched to. This helps unlock region based templates and content. Step 5. Restart CapCut. Completely close the CapCut app from the background, then reopen it to apply the changes. Step 6. Final check. Next, reopen the app and check trending templates. Your CapCut region should now be changed, and that's how you can change your CapCut region on iPhone using free settings. No VPN needed. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.